You're my honey bun, sugar plum, pumpy umby umpkin. You're my sweetie pie. You're my cupcake, gumdrop, snickums, spickums. You're the apple of my eye. And I love you so, and I want you to know that I'll always be right here. And I love to sing 3 songs to you because you are so dear.
Now let's get this party started!
Today, the world's elite fighting force betrayed our nation.
Fights for us!
I'll be on the west coast, I'll be on the east coast, I'll be north, south, but I reside on my side in West Coast. Here I come! Show yourself!
It is time. Yeah. Hello, I walk through my new feet, my old school
The king is back! Ang pakiganti!
Ano? Palagkas? B-boys, time to battle!
I'm a matofado gentleman.
Magandang gabi, Pilipinas! Candidate number 5. Question. Who is the national hero of the Philippines?
Tagay kong clue.
Letter G and R.
Jericho Rosales.
GR?
GR, oh. Jericho Rosales.
Eh, dili, doktor na siya.
Doktor, dahil na, abila kong panday.
Doktor.
Doktor Jericho Rosales.
Last question. Candidate number 5. Last chance. Candidate number 5. What is the national bird of the Philippines?
Tagay kong clue.
Letter M.
Manok.
Brown ang color, anak. Brown.
Ay, brown.
Oh.
Lechon manok. Brown na lechon manok.
Dili ka nang mulupad na siya ba? Mulupad og layo. Mulupad og layo.
Ay, mulupad og layo.
Oh.
Kanang taas kayo.
Oh.
Letter M.
Oh.
Kay baon ako.
Day. Unsa man?
Manananggal.
Open Gangnam Style! Open Gangnam Style!
Girls, boys, and boys, girls. Wobble, 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 wobble. Girls, boys, and boys, girls. Wobble, 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 wobble.
Bakit nga ba ang puso pag nagmamahal na ay sadyang nakapagtataka?
Ado, ado, ado! Ado, ado, ado!
Puro salita! Wala sa gawa!
Alright, yeah, alright. Come on, it's time to hit the dance floor. The way she hit her back, no.
It's kinda weird, it's kinda crazy, but I think I like it though. She's fire than the motherfucker and tighter than those others. So I never seen a girl shake it so hard, I think I'm about to blow. You ain't know, I'ma go. Just sit back and watch. It's too late to turn back now, nigga.
Tomorrow morning if you wake up and the sun is not looking,
Ang totoong facial expression!
Mr. Lover, lover. Mr. Lover, lover. Girl, Mr. Lover, lover. Mr. Lover, lover. She call me Mr. Bombastic, really fantastic. Let me know me back, she says I'm Mr. Romantic. Call me fantastic. Let me know me back, she says I'm Mr. Smooth. Let's go.
di mga marunong sumayaw, pero gustong gumalaw, magpakita ng galing, magpakita ng linaw. Sabay sindihan nilaw, boses na sumisigaw, halika, bumitaw, sanitong bagoy. Di makakaya, di makikita, tayo'y kakaiba, tayo'y kakaiba. Parang galing sa comics, tunog ko'y electronic, may sulong supersonic, kikikilo. Di marunong sumayaw,